Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. We have Calema and Sara Correia. Sara, first time on this channel, and she does this collab with Calema, who's been here with us before in a couple of songs, and that's the duo of two brothers in this music group. So anyway, they do together Respirar. I think that translates into breathe. Alright. So yeah, let's look into this song here, and we're gonna go clean on fretboard, no need for capo. We have 6 chords to handle. Let's go into them and learn the E first, okay? And actually 5 chords, even better. So E goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be the F sharp minor. That's a bar chord. We place the index finger on the 2nd fret and push down all strings there. And then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. Yes, next chord will be A, and that's played with open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Then we have the B. I'm gonna go with the sus version of it. So we have a bar on the 2nd fret, and when you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. And then you take almost the very same grip and move it 2 frets closer to you and land at the 4th position with the index finger, same strings, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B, and there you have the C sharp minor. And that's the last chord. Now, into the main chord progression, which will be E, F sharp, A, and back to E. So it both starts and ends on E. Now, how do we handle it? If you grab the first chord E, 1 string around will be down, up, clap, down. So 1 down, short pause, and then up, clap, down, like this. Okay, so slowly. And a couple rounds in standard goes like this. Okay, so we're ready for the main, and you're gonna play 4 string rounds per chord. Like I said, E 4, F sharp 4, A 4, and E 4. And then you start again on E 4. So like this for 2 rounds. Again, E4, F4, A4, and E4. 2, 3, 4. Alright, so there you have the main pattern of this song, okay? Then at 1 and 30, you can really hear how the ending changes a little bit. So instead of playing E4 in the end there, you're going to play E3, then 1 down on A and 1 down on B. So this whole full round goes E4, F sharp 4, A4, then E3, and then A, B, like this. Then you start next round, and so on. All right, so that is the main part of the song. Then at 2:24 comes the bridge part, and when we're gonna use even a C sharp minor chord. So we're gonna have E2, B2, C sharp 2, then A2, F sharp 2, B2, and E4. Okay, it's a pretty long one. That's the first half of it. Let's go through it. And yeah, 2 string rounds per chord. All of these chords except for the last E4. So I'm going to mention the chords. Let's do it. So we're going to start with E2. B, C sharp, A, F sharp, B, and E4. Okay, that's the first half. The second half goes almost in the exact same way. The only difference here is you're gonna play the F sharp chord as the last one. So the B and the E in the end there will be just the lyric part. So again, let's play the same chord progression, but stop on the F sharp minor. And then lyrics. And after that, you go back to the main part and play that till the very end. And my friends, that is how you handle Calema and Sara Correia's Respirar, breathe. Very important, guys. So take a deep breath, click on that subscribe button, and if you like this tutorial, then give me a thumb up. Till next time, guys, play tuned.